It's raining.
The shell make a nice pog. This is like a Discovery Channel. Does he eat ants too?
No ants, but he also likes tofu,
Oh, so he's a
and
vegetarian.
he likes sunflower seeds. Vegetarian. Oh, here comes another one out of the hole. Here he comes. You see him?
Not yet. Oh, yes.
He hears that lettuce getting chomped. Look how much bigger he is.
Wow. He's got an ant on him.
Where are you going? The food's over here. And there's a third one in there, but they rarely all come out. But they like it when it's raining.
Boy, that's fascinating.
Ancient. This is a desert tortoise. They find no other tortoises can live out here. They brought some of the Texas tortoises out, and they couldn't live here because it is so incredibly dry.
Yet these are able to survive.
These are juveniles. We're gonna let them go in the spring when there's a lot of grass with other things growing, and then first we're gonna accustom to eating out there. I wonder if he's gonna turn around. I think he hears the lettuce over here. It's coming this way now.
Shall I break off a piece and bring it to him?
Let's see where he's going. Don't go back in your hole. Sure. Great. Aren't they